So the Pro Series, definitely want to point out on this, because our first 4 in the Pro Series are UL, and you guys are stocking them. Thank you very much. And you're going to see these, people are using these more and more, especially your Control 4s and your platforms that are already using DIN rail mounted products. So you can do that. You can also use them independently. I have them all around my house. I'm using them outside to control my irrigation and do all those type of things. And to do that, and if you need an enclosure, we have a UL enclosure that is polycarbonate. It's just kind of spendy, but we can assist with that through Aartech, of course. And that's all 4 of these series. Again, you see the colors. You see the blue, that's single channel, dry contact. Red, single channel, power monitoring. The 2 channel allows you to control 2 channels, 2 relays at the same time, and or 2 channel in the power monitoring. And then we also have our Pro Dimmer series and our Pro RGBW, and that's should be RGBWW. It has that 5th white channel for that level. We also, as we get up in there, we have the Pro in that. We have a LAN switch. Regretfully, again, this lineup, this portion is not UL. So it's educational, but it's not there. We're definitely working towards getting UL and ISID, by the way. Then the energy metering. As I mentioned, we are able to do energy metering all the way down to these little guys, all the way to a single circuit, 15 amp, and on up. You can then do all the way to 50 amps, your dryers, your ovens, cooktops. You can also do it with the smaller CTs. This allows you to do a clamp on. This, you have to hardwire, and you have to put the wires through the CTs, which definitely requires more of an electrician to be involved. And you can do 120 and all the way up to 400 amps. So you can do very big homes with Shelly devices. And if you had a large commercial environment, we can actually do higher than that. But in general, that's what we're able to do. Again, not UL, but for educational purposes, it is there and it is available for you. We also have our Z-Wave lineup, and our Z-Wave is, a lot of it is UL, and that UL is expanding. And so I just wanted to make sure that everybody's aware. If they're in the Z-Wave world, we do have Wave products. We call it Shelly Wave, and they're pretty much all the same products as what you've already seen as we continue to expand that line.